What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for MicroStrategy Incorporated with the ticker symbol MSTR. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at MicroStrategy Incorporated, MSTR, a Bitcoin company owning billions of dollars of Bitcoin, highly leveraged. So if Bitcoin is in a bull market, which it is right now, there's a good chance this will also follow Bitcoin's price. So let's take a look at the dominant technical pattern, which is a range. You see that we're finding resistance right around the 180 level, support, a little bit lower, you can say at the 105. So basically it's a sideways trading pattern. You see that price made a leg down right over here. The bulls made two legs up, one leg up right here. Price corrected, second leg up, came up slightly short, which is not a good sign. And then the bears were trying to make another leg down. So the bears are still attempting to reach the $86 level. Price is below this trend line right here. But once price breaks this trend line and maybe we can get back above the 150 level, there's a good chance that the bears failed and we'll probably see a strong rally up to the top side. So as right now, it's looking like the bears are still trying to reach that target, but there's a couple things in the way. The first thing is at the support at the 106 level, and then the potential of this trend line holding right over here. So we'll see what happens. But as right now, the bears are trying to drop down the price, but at the same time, the bulls are trying to support the price. So we'll see what happens. But it's overall just a range pattern. This looks pretty good. This looks like it can break up higher. Looking for a target to the upside, I would say first at the 153, and then the 180, and then probably a new all-time high from there. So that's how I'm looking at MicroStrategy on the daily chart. So it all depends on what we do at that trend line. If we can break it, there's not a lot of things that the bears can use to drop down that price. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see that we had a large move up higher here, correction, large move higher, price is correcting. This still looks pretty good long term. You have to probably look at the log chart to look at the longer term scale. Here's a log chart and pretty much tells me that the bull trend is still in play. You could draw a channel off of the swing lows. You can see drag it up like that. So overall, still a bullish market. All the way from that $14 level. So still an uptrend, consolidating at the highs of the uptrend, which is a very bullish sign, especially staying above that prior high. That's another bullish sign right there. So staying above this prior high. So it looks like we could see a little bit more downside, and all that would mean is this price just bounced off the channel for higher prices. So even if we do see that $86 level, I'm expecting higher prices from there. I don't think this is the top, and we're just going to trend down lower. That's very unlikely. So overall, just sideways trading. Looks like it can break out any time now, probably to the upside. If it fails, you know why. Bears are still trying to make another leg down to the $86 level. But the longer it takes, the less likely they're going to get there. So they'll be mostly unsuccessful. So we'll see what happens. But as right now, it's still in bearish territory, but things can change in a very short term if we see this momentum pick up like we did today. So all I have for MicroStrategy and the daily weekly charts. If you have any comments, please leave it below. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.